What software do you use for taking notes? Today, I'm sharing 3 versatile note-taking apps available on all platforms, each with hidden tips you might not know. Save these recommendations and let's dive in. The first one is Get Mind Mapping. When it comes to mind mapping, most people are used to building frameworks node by node, but with this app, you can have AI do it for you. You only need to think and add more details to the refined content, greatly saving time in processing and digesting information. While thinking and adding, if you have any questions, just click the AI Copilot in the top right corner to ask the AI, and you can insert its answers directly into the notes. This changes the idea that mind mapping is a solo activity, breaking the limits of thought by interacting with AI and bringing it back to the core purpose of organizing ideas. Isn't this a better way to take notes? The second one is OneNote. Many people prefer handwritten notes. You might have used GoodNotes, Notability, or Margin Note 3, but only OneNote uses OneDrive for multi-device synchronization. I'll share 2 features I found really amazing after testing. The first one is the recording feature. When you're listening to online courses, handwritten notes can't keep up with the teacher, so you can click Insert, choose to record audio, and type keywords while listening. Later, when you play it back, click the audio button next to the keyword, and it will automatically jump to that part. Isn't that awesome? The second is its image recognition feature. When inserting text, you can also copy text from an image, and it will convert it into text. That's truly brilliant. The third one is Notion. If you search for note-taking apps on YouTube, almost everyone will introduce Notion, and for a good reason it's that powerful. It can handle knowledge databases, blogs, product facts, and team management, among other things. Not only can it store a massive amount of information, but now with the addition of Notion AI, it can assist with all sorts of document creation, so you'll never fear sudden assignments from your boss. On top of that, Notion allows you to add various plugins to further expand its existing functions and meet more needs. The most important part, the free version of Notion is more than enough for daily use. So what more do you need? Here are the top 3 note-taking app picks. If you're interested, like and subscribe. See you next time.